Managing attendance shouldn't be time-consuming, error-prone, or dependent on manual systems. Yet many organizations still rely on outdated methods that lead to proxy entries, delays, and inaccurate records. For years, attendance systems have been functional, but today, businesses need systems that are smart, intelligent, and reliable. At Accucia, we build AI-powered face attendance systems that make tracking seamless and secure. With advanced facial recognition, employees can mark attendance instantly. No cards, no fingerprints, no manual effort. Every entry is recorded in real time, ensuring accuracy, transparency, and complete control. Smart dashboards give you instant visibility into attendance, shifts, and performance, while automation handles reports and compliance effortlessly. With AI at the core, the system continuously improves accuracy, detects anomalies, and ensures authentic tracking every time. Because when attendance becomes intelligent, operations become smoother, teams become more accountable, and management becomes effortless. Accucia Softwares, building intelligent systems that adapt to your business.